This is me, Faisal Tareen, and you're watching TAREEN Motivation. How to use mobile in a proper way. Everything in this world has two aspects, good and bad, advantages and disadvantages, positivity and negativity. We have to take the right part. We have to use the mobile, we have to use any device in the positive way. We have to take some benefits from that, because each and everything in this world is created for the betterment of human being. We have to use mobile in a proper way. We must know how to use. We must have a reason to use anything. We must have a reason that why I am wasting my 6 hours on mobile. I must have a reason why I am wasting 5 to 6, 7 hours on the mobile. I must have a reason. I must have a reason why more than 100 times in a day I check mobile. Just for this reason. This is not a big reason to check my followers, to check the status, how much people have watched. This is not the biggest reason. You must give reason to yourself. You must know that I am wasting my time. You must know that I am wasting my precious time. In this 6 or 5 hours, I can do a lot of things. I can make my future. So last advice is just one. Don't be the slave of mobile. Make mobile your slave. Then it is possible to be successful in life. If you want success, if you want something new, if you want something great, one thing you have to do, that is to throw out the negative usage of mobile. Then it is possible to be good, means say to be a big man in this world. If you want to be a big gun, you have to throw out, once again I would like to say, you have to throw out the negative usage of mobile. Then it's possible to be successful. Thank you.